In the early 2000s, the internet was rapidly changing how we communicate. Email was already commonplace, but real-time interaction was still limited to expensive phone calls. Then, in 2003, a revolutionary piece of software emerged: Skype. This innovative platform allowed people to make free calls over the internet, connecting individuals across continents without the hefty price tag of traditional telephony. Skype's impact was immediate and profound. For the first time, friends and family separated by vast distances could speak to each other face-to-face, sharing stories and experiences as if they were in the same room. The software's simple interface and reliable performance made it accessible to a global audience, quickly gaining traction among users eager to embrace this new era of communication. The early years of Skype were marked by rapid growth and innovation. The company constantly updated its software, adding features like video calling, instant messaging, and file sharing. This continuous development ensured that Skype remained at the forefront of the internet calling revolution, captivating millions of users worldwide. As Skype's popularity surged, so too did its influence on the technological landscape. The software's success demonstrated the immense potential of voice-over internet protocol, VoIP, technology, paving the way for a wave of competitors and transforming the telecommunications industry forever. By the late 2000s, Skype had become a global phenomenon. Millions of people were using the platform daily to connect with loved ones, conduct business meetings, and bridge geographical divides. The distinctive, ringing sound of an incoming Skype call became synonymous with instant communication, signaling the arrival of a friend, family member, or colleague from across the globe. Skype's user base continued to grow exponentially, fueled by the increasing availability of broadband internet and the proliferation of personal computers. The platform's freemium model, offering free calls to other Skype users and affordable rates for calls to landlines and mobile phones, made it an attractive alternative to traditional telecommunication services. The software's popularity extended beyond personal use, with businesses of all sizes adopting Skype as a cost-effective solution for international communication. The ability to conduct video conferences, share screens, and collaborate on documents in real time made Skype an invaluable tool for companies operating in a globalized world. As Skype's influence grew, so too did its cultural impact. The platform became a symbol of interconnectedness, enabling people from all walks of life to connect and communicate in ways never before imagined. From facilitating long-distance relationships to enabling virtual classrooms, Skype played a pivotal role in shaping the social and technological landscape of the 21st century. In 2011, Microsoft made a bold move by acquiring Skype for a staggering $8.5 billion. This acquisition, one of the largest in Microsoft's history, signaled the tech giant's ambition to become a dominant player in the rapidly growing world of internet communications. While some industry analysts questioned the hefty price tag, Microsoft saw Skype's massive user base and established brand recognition as valuable assets. Integrating Skype's technology into its existing product ecosystem, including Windows operating system and Office suite, offered significant potential for synergy and growth. Following the acquisition, Microsoft wasted no time in leveraging Skype's capabilities. The company integrated Skype into its Windows Live Messenger service, hoping to create a unified communication platform. However, this move faced criticism from some users who preferred the simplicity and familiarity of the standalone Skype application. Despite initial challenges, Microsoft remained committed to its vision of integrating Skype into its broader product portfolio. The company continued to invest in the platform, releasing new features and updates aimed at enhancing user experience and expanding its functionality. As the technological landscape continued to evolve, a new player emerged within Microsoft's communication strategy, Microsoft Teams. Launched in 2017, Teams was designed to be a comprehensive collaboration platform, integrating chat, video conferencing, file storage, and other productivity tools into a single workspace. Microsoft positioned Teams as a modern alternative to Skype for Business, a version of Skype tailored for workplace communication. With its focus on team collaboration, seamless integration with other Microsoft products, and a sleek, modern interface, Teams quickly gained traction among businesses and organizations worldwide. While Skype continued to be a popular choice for personal communication, Teams' comprehensive feature set and tight integration with the Microsoft ecosystem made it a compelling option for businesses looking to streamline their workflow and enhance collaboration. As Teams gained momentum, Microsoft shifted its focus and resources towards developing and promoting this new platform. The company invested heavily in enhancing Teams' capabilities, adding new features and integrations at a rapid pace, further solidifying its position as a leading enterprise communication and collaboration solution.